Shifting focus to the commodity markets, Manisha Gupta joins in. Manisha, what's the one commodity you're tracking today?
Thank you for that, Sonia. Well, I'm looking at metals, precious and industrial, and there is a lot of buying in both of these sectors there. So weaker than economic US data is what has led to a decline in US dollar and expectation that you could be looking at a Fed rate cut going forward in the month of September. The possibility of that is now 67%, and that has led some buying coming in for many of these metals there. Also, it has to do with the geopolitical concerns because, you know, when it comes to metals, when it comes to precious metals especially, we are hearing more news and reports coming in from the Red Sea now. What we do understand that until now there have been more than 70 attacks there. One vessel has been seized, 2 ships sunk. The second one was sunk yesterday. So that is what has led to some geopolitical premium also coming in for the prices there. And then, as I said, a couple of central banks already have cut rates, and the markets do anticipate that the Swiss National Bank, and you could be getting it coming in from China and the US Fed in the month of September. So by the third quarter, there could be more banks joining the bandwagon when it comes to rate cuts, and that clearly has been supportive. In any case, the metals have been consolidating for the last couple of weeks, and we've seen buying opportunities come in on the lower sides. So within the precious metals, silver prices gained 3.5%, gold was up 1%, and both the precious metals are now trading at a 2-week highs into the markets. Copper prices also gained up by more than a percentage point, and we are looking at prices inching closer to $10,000 a ton mark. The low in this week itself has been $9,550. So we're looking at considerable gain from its lows, and that has been supportive. I also want to talk about zinc because that has been a bit of an underperformer, but we've seen stronger gains come in for this one as well, and that is because the surplus that the zinc has been carrying for the last couple of years now seems to be going down. So if you look at those numbers there, we've seen prices gain up by 3.5% in this week itself, and that is because the surplus that the markets did see earlier have been continuing to decline. So last year, between Jan to March, the surplus that zinc had was 282,000 tons. This year, at the same period, it fell to almost half at 182,000. In the month of March, we were carrying a surplus of 70,000. Now it has fallen down to 22,000. So a very sharp decline, as you can see, over the past months that the zinc surplus has come down, and that clearly seems to be very supportive.
All right, Manisha, thanks a lot for that. So that's the commodities arena. But